Making this wonderful shirt for a 6-month-old baby. My friend just got a granddaughter and she wanted to make her wear something that is eco-friendly and natural. So the process of making this shirt is on. I have used a thin blanket over it, and now I'm doing some more eco printing. Some rose petals, to try the rose petals also. Yeah, so I put the new rose petals. Now this was the back side, so I'm going to turn this completely. And here, look, I have the back side intact, and I'm going to work on the front. To see the front, you have to watch my next video. Thank you.